Hello everyone, today we will show you how to create real MetaTrader 4 account on your iPhone. Watch the video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another uploads from us. To open a real account of your MetaTrader 4, you need to sign up by visiting your broker site. Simply open your web browser on your device and in the URL box type in your web address for your broker site. In my case, I'm gonna type ironfx.com and press search. Once you open the broker page, go and search for sign up option. In this page, you can see the 3 parallel line on the top left corner and tap on that. Then you can see an option of open account in the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Now, simply fill out the form shown in your screen to register your broker account, starting with your first name and then type your last name. All you need to do is follow the instruction and fill out all the options. Enter your mail ID, country of residence, your mobile phone number, and select your trading account and fill in the other necessary information. Create a password for your broker account and make sure that your password is strong and easy to remember, and confirm the password by retyping it. Then finally register your account by pressing on Register Now option. You will be able to sign up or register for your broker account once you register. Once you register your account, you need to verify your identity. The broker company need to verify their client's identity by filling the KYC form. Go ahead and verify your identity, and after you uploaded your verification documents, your application will be reviewed, and then they will let you know if your application is approved or not. Once you have your broker account, you can simply tap on MetaTrader 4 app, and from this interface, tap on the setting option on the bottom right corner of your screen and click New Account. You can view 2 options. Then press Login to an existing account. Then go to search bar and search your broker name and select it, which lead you to the login page. Now insert your login number and password. There is also an option of either to save the password or not. Make sure that you save the password only when it's your own device and not the public. After completing all the required steps, click Sign In option at the top right corner, and there you have it. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.